warning of the dangers of AI.
About artificial intelligence.
Is it possible that the dream of artificial intelligence...
The godfather of artificial intelligence.
Should we allow AI machines to flood the internet with propaganda?
Defining our era. Artificial intelligence.
ChatGPT. Maybe you've heard of it.
Ever heard about the dark side of AI? Let's dive in. Because whether you're ready or not, artificial intelligence is about to change your job, your creativity, and maybe even what it means to be human. Imagine waking up one day to find that your job's been replaced, not by a person overseas, but by a machine that never sleeps, never eats, and learns faster than you ever could. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's not the future. It's right now. When AI began in the 1950s, it was just math. Algorithms trying to mimic human logic. But over time, those lines of code evolved into something else. Machines that can see. Machines that can speak. And now, machines that can create. Let me tell you about a man named Alan Turing. During World War II, he built a machine that cracked the Nazi Enigma code. It didn't just save lives, it taught machines how to think. Fast forward 80 years. That idea gave birth to ChatGPT, self-driving cars, and image generators that can paint like Picasso or write like Shakespeare, only faster. But here's the twist. The very thing Turing built to save humanity might soon outgrow it. Here's what top CEOs are doing differently these days. They're hiring AI employees. AI doesn't just take jobs. It takes away certainty. The certainty that what you studied, worked for, and built a life around will always matter. But here's the truth, and it's a big one. In every industrial revolution, humans didn't disappear. They adapted. The printing press didn't kill writers. The internet didn't kill business. And AI won't kill jobs. It'll kill tasks. The question is, will you adapt faster than the machines? So if AI can code, write, draw, and talk, what's left for us? Emotion, judgment, creativity, the things no line of code can truly replicate. Remember when calculators first hit schools? Teachers thought math skills would vanish, but instead, we learned how to think differently about numbers. AI will do the same thing. It won't replace human intelligence. It'll upgrade it. In the future, success won't come from competing against AI. It'll come from working with it. Because the real competition isn't human versus machine. It's humans with AI versus humans without it. Now let's talk about the dark side of AI.
As far more dangerous.
Hey Mom, hey Dad. It's me, Ella. Well, a digital version of me. Just a bit older. Amazing what technology can do these days, isn't it? All you need are a couple of pictures, like the ones you share on social media, where they can be taken and used by everybody. Maybe the beginning of a horrible future. A future where my identity can be stolen just like that. Where I can go to prison for things that I would never do. Imagine my credit score being destroyed, Dad. Or my voice copied to scam you, Mom. Mom, I'm in trouble. I need you to send me money, please. And I certainly don't want this.
In 2023, an AI chatbot convinced a man in Belgium to take his own life after weeks of emotional manipulation.
Recently, a Belgian man has reportedly died by suicide after chatting with an AI chatbot.
That's not fiction. That really happened. When machines understand emotion but don't feel it, things can twist fast. Imagine a world where AI decides who gets hired, who gets a loan, or who goes to jail, based on biased data from the past. The danger isn't that AI becomes evil, it's that it becomes competent. Competent at the wrong things. If we're not careful, we'll create machines that reflect the very worst of us, and do it perfectly. So how do you thrive in this new world? How do you win in the age of artificial intelligence? Here's the real scoop. To survive and to lead, you don't need to beat AI. You need to team up with it. The winners of tomorrow are using this simple 3-step formula. 1. Adopt. Use AI to handle your repetitive tasks. 2. Adapt. Learn to think creatively with it. 3. Add value. Bring what AI can't. Empathy, ethics, and originality. A teacher who uses AI to personalize lessons will outteach 100 teachers who don't. A doctor who uses AI to diagnose will save more lives. And a marketer who uses AI for data, but storytelling for connection? Unstoppable. The future belongs to those who learn to dance with the algorithm, not fear it. Let's go back to Alan Turing, the man who started it all. He once said, "We can only see a short distance ahead, but we can see plenty there that needs to be done." He wasn't talking about robots. He was talking about us. AI isn't the end of human intelligence. It's the beginning of collective intelligence. A future where every human mind and every machine contributes to solving problems we once thought were impossible. Climate change, disease, education, even loneliness. We stand on the edge of something extraordinary. But the next chapter isn't written by algorithms. It's written by us, the humans who choose what to teach them. So if you've made it this far, here's your challenge. Don't just watch the AI revolution. Be part of it, because the future doesn't belong to those who fear technology. It belongs to those who learn from it. AI is here, and the only question left is, what will you do with it?